Working of a two-stroke petrol engine. In a two-stroke petrol engine, the cylinder is provided with the inlet port, the transfer port, and the exhaust port. These ports are opened and closed by the movement of the piston itself. Let us study the condition when the piston is at TDC. In this position, only the inlet port is kept opened and the other two ports are closed. The mixture of air and petrol is drawn into the crankcase due to the vacuum produced by the upward movement of the piston. Also, the mixture above the piston is compressed. The compression ratio for a petrol engine varies from 7 to 10. When the spark occurs, the combustion starts and the piston is pushed down due to the pressure created. During its downward motion, the inlet port also is closed, due to which the mixture will get compressed inside the crankcase. At about 70 degrees from BDC, the exhaust port is opened and the gases are sent to the atmosphere. At about 60 degrees from BDC, the transfer port is opened, due to which the mixture from the crankcase enters the cylinder. Because of the special shape of the piston crown, the mixture is deflected up and is prevented from going out directly through the exhaust port. Also, the deflected mixture helps in pushing the exhaust gases out. Thus, during the downward motion of the piston, we get the operation of power, exhaust, and suction or intake. When the piston is pushed up by the flywheel, the following sequence of operations take place: closing of transfer port, closing of exhaust port, opening of inlet port. After closing the exhaust port, the mixture gets compressed and the cycle is repeated.